Hi. Welcome to the quick demo of BrainCert's virtual classroom. Over the next few minutes, we will take you on a journey to get acquainted with the different features and functionalities of BrainCert's virtual classroom. What you now see on the screen is the interface of the virtual classroom. The area on the right side of the screen is where you get to know the name of attendees and access the built-in chat feature. With this built-in chat feature, instructors can do group chat or chat in private with the attendees. Now if you shift your attention to the bottom right, that is where you as the meeting host get to enable or disable camera and microphone access of attendees. The attendee settings option on the bottom right is where the classroom host can give individual attendees access to screen share, permission to collaborate on the whiteboard, access to teacher tools, and to drop them out of the classroom. On the top left, you will have access to the settings option where you get to set up your device and choose your default camera, microphone, and speakers, check your internet connection, and enable or disable automatic definition switching that automatically adjusts the video resolution. Based on your internet speed, enable or disable the 16:9 aspect ratio, change the interface language, choose to hide video chats and text chats to participants, and to hide the attendee list to participants. At the bottom of the virtual classroom settings menu, you will have the option to report problems with audio or video streams on the platform. Attendees can choose from the list of the commonly seen technical glitches or type in details of any specific problem they might be experiencing. The option to start or stop session recording can be accessed at the bottom of the whiteboard as shown on the screen. Adjacent to the recording option is the options to mute or unmute the microphone, enable or disable the camera, and start or stop screen share. Instructors can also use the Close All button adjacent to the Screen Share button to close everything in one click. Now if you shift your attention to the left side of the screen, you can see the list of available collaboration tools. On the top of the toolbar, you have the option to pin and unpin the toolbar on the whiteboard, selection tool, pencil tool to write or draw freely, highlighter, line tools, arrow tools, elbow connector, and a circle tool under which you will have options to draw various shapes on the whiteboard to deliver creative and educational training online. The platform also lets you choose the stroke size and color of shapes and fill color inside these shapes. The other tools in the toolbar include the eraser tool, text tool, smiley tool, latex equation editor to add equations to the whiteboard, and computational engine Wolfram Alpha for teaching K-12, high school, university students, and an option to make the whiteboard appear like a lined paper, grid paper, or millimeter paper. You will also have the option to clear the whiteboard in one click. On the top right side of the whiteboard is the Breakout Room feature that lets instructors split the classroom attendees into smaller groups to foster a collaborative learning environment. The platform also lets instructors assign specific permission or access to attendees in each breakout room. To add to the intuitiveness of the virtual classroom, instructors can simply drag and drop attendees between the breakout rooms. Next to the breakout room feature is the built-in code editor tool that can teach your attendees multiple programming languages. To the bottom right of the whiteboard, you will have access to an image tool that lets you add images to the whiteboard, a video tool that lets you play videos from online or from your local library on the whiteboard, a document reader to share your documents or presentations on the whiteboard, and a poll feature to collect feedback from attendees or to conduct polls. Instructors can also use this feature to conduct quizzes in between classes to check how far the attendees are following what is being taught. On the top left side of the whiteboard, you will have options to allow or forbid the attendees to draw on the whiteboard, export the whiteboard as a PDF or image, save a whiteboard to storage, and load a whiteboard from storage. Because the virtual classroom has been designed to be intuitive, attendees can enlarge the video stream over the whiteboard and play them below the whiteboard or on the top right side. Once you complete a classroom session, as an instructor you can choose to end the session for all attendees or choose to leave and come back later after a break. We hope that you found this video helpful. Feel free to get in touch with our team if you've any questions. BrainCert, Education Simplified.